Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable bookstore on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now you can see here if I open up my book application. So if I open up book, in books you can see at the bottom here in the navigation bar there is a bookstore. So now I can show or hide this bookstore. Now to do that, we go into settings. So tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on screen time. In screen time, go down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Next, we go down and tap on allow apps. Then tap on bookstore. So tap on the switch to turn it off or switch back on. Now if it is off, you can see that if I go to the bookstore is now not available for me to choose. And if I turn it back on, you can see in the navigation menu bar at the bottom, then bookstore is now restored back in place so I can access the bookstore. And that is how you can turn off or turn on bookstore on the iPhone 13 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.